Hello again. I almost forgot to do the Bitcoin update, so let's get to this one. So Bitcoin obviously exploded on Friday, and I was at first I was thinking that this was a leading diagonal. We had five waves, and then they gave a shallow correction and then exploded up. And so, but now with this strong of a move, it's become looking more impulsive, and so this could be this. I'm gonna go to a 4 hour here. If it's going up as a diagonal. So this was an ABC up to here, then you had a WXY down to there. So like one and two, and so oops, down to there, and then the third wave target is up here in the 69,000 range. So it's got a ways to go to get up there if it's making this diagonal. So it's got to prove itself to do that. But this to me now, drilling in, it's becoming more impulsive. And so it looks to me like this could be 1, 2, and this could be 1, 2. And then I think this was a running flat. So this is one, this was A, B, C. And this area right here where they already tapped into it becomes really important because if this is three up here at the 64, 987, this area should hold for the four. Because if that's 1, 2, this is three, then this should be four, and it should come back up and break the 64, 987 for 508. And if it does that, then this whole thing's looking very impulsive, obviously. And then I would expect, a correction down for another four, go up for five, another correction down for four, and then still another. Now this will all be a lot higher. That'll be up to there, and that'll be up to there. And then we'll be getting really close to this 69.8 range, and then Bitcoin looks like they're making just a massive diagonal here. Like I said, 1, 2, and then three should be up here. So keep an eye on this range right here. It might, let's zoom in here. It might have one more drop. This was a pretty swift drop. That could be all the correction. I think that's probably like just the A. This is the B, and then maybe they're coming down for the C wave, so maybe a little bit lower from where it is right now. But it shouldn't like come screaming down here. If it somewhere around this range, 60, mid 63s, and then reverse, then we're on track for making a series of. This is all going to be just a big impulse here. So then Bitcoin looks really really good. So a couple of ways you could play it. You could like just let this whole all play out, let it reach its third wave destination, and then wait for the big fourth wave pullback, which might come almost into this range where we are right now anyway. And then that becomes a really attractive buy. Or you could just take a stab here. Just that I would just want to put a stop loss somewhere because all we really have, oops, is three waves, right? There's one, and then this could just kind of be ending something, maybe even have just one more up, but it's still only going to be three waves. So there is a chance that this comes all the way down if it's just a three-wave correction for more down. So there's still that pattern in play. So if you do take a stab at Bitcoin, somewhere in this range, I definitely want to be putting a stop loss, probably somewhere like there. Anything below that, and then now all of a sudden this isn't looking like the impulse that I'm looking for. So, like I said, I think they could still come down one more time, and then you'd want to see it to go up, because if this starts dripping down, then this could be ending. This could be just a three-wave correction itself, and now it's starting to work its all way down. But everything looks really good, no divergences. So Yeah, you'd want this area to hold and then go break the high one more time. And then I think you're gonna get a series of, you know, 4 5s and then another 4 5 to create one big massive impulse. And then Bitcoin looks really, really good. All right, so that's the bell cutting on Bitcoin. All right, see you guys. Good luck.